Hey guys, upcoming OnePlus 12 is going to be a beast. So here are the top 10 things we know about the OnePlus 12. The OnePlus 12 will have a display with the peak brightness that's double that the OnePlus 11. It will be reached 2600 nits according to the leak. And the display will be slightly larger at 6.82 inch up from 6.7 inch. Well, the aspect ratio will be down to 19.8:9 from 20:9 as the panel will have a resolution of Quake HD+. We have seen the CAD-based render of the new model, which show that the display is curved slightly more than OnePlus 11, and the new panel will be manufactured by BOE. The same panel was used on Oppo Find X6 Pro, and it will still be a LTPO panel with 120Hz refresh rate. And the top configuration of the OnePlus 12 have a 24GB of RAM and 1TB of storage, and the older model tops out at 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. The OnePlus 12 is expected to launch in China this December, with a global launch coming soon after in January 2024. The phone will be use a new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 of course, and out of the box the phone running Android 14 with Oxygen OS 14. OnePlus 12 have a redesigned camera setup. Also a new sensor, the 50 megapixel main sensor who is Sony IMX966 sensor with 1.7 aperture, 48 megapixel ultra wide who is Sony IMX581 with 2.2 aperture. And the first time OnePlus using periscope telephoto lens who is 64 megapixel sensor who is OB64B with 2.5 aperture with 3x optical zoom, and you also zoom highest 120x. The new flagship also increased the battery capacity is 5400 mAh battery and it support 100 watt fast charging. Maybe OnePlus 12 launched in $800 in USA and 65,000 rupee in India. So that's all about OnePlus 12 latest leaks and information. If you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catch you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.